My God, are you videotaping?
Yep.
Oh my
Go.
God. Okay, this is really hard with an umbrella. Oh.
I know, shit!
Helen didn't know about this before.
I did not.
Oh my God, I think
it's kind of fun now.
What?
Whee! Whee! Come, okay, now I'm kind of stuck that way, okay. Oh crap, can I stop now? Thanks. Turn around and come back.
What?
Do it again.
It's easier if you don't look at it.
Look, I peed myself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready for Uber Mary Poppins?
Okay, this is not gonna work. It's kind of slippery.
Oh God.
I'm scared.
Ready? Don't break me! Oh, damn!
Impressive.
That was a good ending.